Welcome back to a new video friends. Today I'm going to tell you about how can you on one handed mode guys in the Redmi 10 phone guys, and guys how to on one-handed mode in the Redmi 10 phone. Today I'm going to tell you about guys the setting in the Redmi 10 phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you're watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. Now friends, let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting and guys scroll it and guys come on additional setting. Then guys you can see one-handed mode, so guys click here. You want to on guys, you can on, and guys you can set from here 3.5 inches, 0.4 inches, 0.5 inches. So I hope guys you have understood how to on one-handed mode in Redmi 10 phone. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.